Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to show you how to automate your LinkedIn outreach using PhantomBuster. If you're looking to grow your network, generate leads, or follow up with prospects automatically, PhantomBuster is the tool for you. So let's go ahead and dive right in. For those who aren't familiar with PhantomBuster, it's a powerful automation tool that lets you extract data, automate social media, and interact with platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. It's perfect for automating repetitive tasks like sending connection requests, or follow-up messages. Today, we'll be using PhantomBuster to set up LinkedIn outreach and can send connection requests and then personalize follow-up messages all on autopilot. So first things first, you'll need to sign up for a PhantomBuster account. They do offer a free trial. This gives you enough time to test the platform, and once you're signed up, you'll see the dashboard where all the magic happens. Now we'll need to choose the right Phantom. For our LinkedIn outreach, we'll go ahead and choose the connect with profiles from a LinkedIn search. So we'll scroll down until we see this and go ahead and click the Use Flow button. Once you've selected it, it's time to configure it. The first thing you'll need to do is get your LinkedIn session cookie. This allows PhantomBuster to act on your behalf without having to log into your account. Now, the first time that you ever hit this connect to LinkedIn, it is going to ask you to download the PhantomBuster plugin. I'll go ahead and include this down below. Once you have this installed, all you'll need to do is hit connect to LinkedIn, and this will display your LinkedIn profile. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and hit save. This will take you to the profiles to invite. Now, for this, you'll just need a LinkedIn URL, a LinkedIn search URL. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and go to LinkedIn. We'll come to the search bar, and we'll type in something like, for example, marketing manager. So we'll see right here that we can click on people. And then this brings up 11 million results. So what we'll go ahead and do is filter a little bit further. We'll want to make sure we're only getting second and third in the United States. And then we can go down and look at the rest of the filters and see if there's any ones that are relevant to us. So once we've done this, we can go ahead and hit show results. We'll see this brings down the results to about 3.4 million. It's not going to process all of these, but we can go ahead and use this URL for example. So we'll go ahead and post this here. We'll see that all we need to do is hit save, but we can hit these advanced settings right here and specify a little bit further what we want. Now, this is the number of profiles to extract each day. I would leave this one blank unless you know exactly what you're doing. Number of invites to send per day. LinkedIn, they limit you to 100 per week without blocking you. So definitely keep this to 20 per day. And then I usually keep mine at weekdays during office hours just to make sure that the invites are looking as natural as possible. Now, the first thing that you'll get is the initial reach out message. This is the one that you're going to use whenever connecting with someone. So whenever you send that connection request, they usually see that initial message. My favorite one to use here is, looking forward to connecting or something simple like that. I will include a free script for anyone that does sign up through my link below and sends me a message just saying that they did sign up. Once you put this in, we'll go ahead and go to the next step. So we can put something simple like this. So we'll go ahead and hit save. Now this is going to take us to our follow-up messages. This is the first follow-up message right here. This is where you can talk about your services. You can talk about really anything that you want to right here. Your church group, adding people to a newsletter, check out our products on Spotify, really anything that you want right here. You can attach a document or an image. Whenever I send out, my outreach, I usually do attach a PDF, and that's just my software vendor lineup. So anything that you can put into somebody's hand, it's really going to help them whenever they get that message. Now, this right here, it's how long until after this connection message do you want to send this first follow up? So I usually like to wait either between 0 and 1 days. And if you have that first setting on business hours, these will be sent randomly during business hours. So let's go ahead and hit 0. And then we see this tab here, or this little radio icon, schedule a second follow-up message. So we'll go ahead and click that, and we'll see that it brings up something much similar to the first follow-up message. We'll go ahead and select the days here, second message. Same thing with attaching files. Schedule a third follow-up, and this will be the same process as the second. Now, whenever you're setting up this workflow only allows for the connection request plus 3 follow-up requests, or 3 follow-up messages, sorry. It does not allow for anything more than that. So once you have all of your messages in here, you'll go ahead and hit save. So mine says there's errors because I didn't fill it out, but if you filled it out correctly, this will take you to your own dashboard, and we'll have your flow right here, your Phantom right here, and then all you'll need to do is click this right here to go ahead and turn it on. Now, once you've turned this on, this is going to run during business hours. It's going to send connection requests on your behalf, and it's going to send another 3 follow-up messages, all without you having to do a thing. Now, once someone replies, it is going to drop that in your mailbox, and it's going to stop this from running. And once that stops it from running, you are going to have to reach out and set that. Now, there are lead setter services that you can use for this. You can hire someone to do the calls. A lot of small business owners, though, they're going to take these messages themselves and reply to them. This works really good for all different kinds of industry. Anywhere that you're doing LinkedIn outreach, you're going to be able to set this up for yourself and even your team to really just make sure that you can pump up those sending numbers. Now, as far as pricing, there are 3 packages for PhantomBuster. So I'll go ahead and just open up PhantomBuster in an incognito window so I'm not signed in. And we'll see that the first package, the trial, second starter for $69 per month. This does give you 20 hours of execution time. This is more than enough to run the LinkedIn outreach, plus invite people to your LinkedIn company page. And even more than that, they have Instagram builders, all that you can run on this one right here. Now, this offers you the AI credits. This is how you enrich leads with information. You can also send, customized connection requests and, do quite a bit more. You have 5 slots for phantoms. Now, with mine, I think I have 10, but I may have signed up at a different time for that. The 5 slots is going to be really more than enough, more than you need. I think that the LinkedIn one that we used today was 3. You would use 1 to invite people to your to your company LinkedIn page, and then you could even use 1 more to do Instagram reach or something like that. Now, you do get unlimited reports. Your reports are going to look something like this right here. So we'll see this one ran kind of all the way through. 22 hours and 9 minutes is what it saved me. 924 profiles were collected. 886 invites were sent. Of that, 88 invites requests were accepted. From that, we can see that there was a 4.5% response rate for the first message, 12% for the second, 6.6 answer rate for the third message. And this one, it's not being tracked, as you can see right there. but still some pretty good response rates for sending out automated messages. Now, on the pricing, we will see that they do have a pro and a team package. These are going to be more than you really need to start out, but they are here as you grow. Phantom Buster is a fantastic tool. I highly recommend it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a fantastic day.